everyone, my name is Mia and today I will going to tell you about the story of Ugly Duckling. He is a mother duck. Her little ducks are coming out of the egg. Peep, 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 quack, quack. You are so cute, but one duckling is big and ugly. Beep, beep. Oh, he is different from the others. Mother duck takes the duckling to a pond. Let's jump in. Peep, peep, let's jump in. Quack, quack. But other duckling does not like the ugly duckling. Look, he is too big and ugly. Go away. Other animals on that farm don't like him either. Poor little duckling. He is sad. He ran away from the farm. Then he met two wild ducks. Who are you? You are so ugly. Don't stay here. Go away. The ugly duckling runs and runs. Poor little duckling. He is very sad. Winter comes. The weather becomes colder and colder. Oh, it is so cold. The ugly duckling falls asleep under a tree. Then a farmer sees him. Poor little duckling, I will take him home. The farmer takes good care of the ugly duckling. Soon, but the animals on that farm don't like him either. Soon, spring comes. Why don't you go away? Right, we don't get enough breakfast because of you. They don't like me. I will leave. Goodbye, farmer. The, the ugly duckling walks and walks. Then she sees some swan in a lake. Oh, they are so white and beautiful. The ugly duckling walks to the swans. They swim to the ugly duckling too. They are going to say, "You are so ugly. Go away." But the ugly duckling does not hear anything. Wow! What? The ugly duckling very surprised. Then he looked into the water. Is it me? Yeah, you are a swan like us. Now he is not ugly anymore. He is a beautiful swan. He is very happy. Goodbye.